Thanks.
That won't be necessary.
Papa, remind me to order about another dozen of those remote controls. They moved out of here like Springsteen tickets. Look at this. Maybe looking at yourself in the mirror is the scariest thing you can do, but those people are dying to do it.
Pa, could you hold War of the Worlds for me when it gets in?
Sure, you got it.
I hear it's almost as good as remote control.
Says if she can find War of the Worlds, she'll gladly give you her copy of Remote Control.
I never said that. I couldn't find my other choice. Sorry.
No! Put that down! Eva! What are you doing? No! Eva! Ah! Ah!
That's enough. Get already. Oh, gross. What's your problem, lady? Oh my God, I'm on candid camera. Hi, Alan Sand. What are you doing here?
I came to see the movie. I thought, hey, why not lose control together?
What's that noise? What is it?
Honey? Are you all right?
Arnold?